got very much involved with he was a member of the JF Forum. He was a lifetime member of the JF Forum. He was a lifetime member of the VFW. And while he was in the VFW, he was also a member and a commander of the Mexican American Veterans. So with the VFW, he carried a lot of weight. He was the only one in the state of Nebraska to ever have earned the National Commander 5 times, All-American. The only one to have All-American 5 times. He was working on his 6th when he passed away. And there is a post, 1581, West Omaha, named after Bill Montoya for the VFW.
Thank you, Rick.
Okay. We'll do the honors for Mr. Montoya. Charge!